Yo, Chad. If you're anything like me, you've probably had those years where you set New Year's resolutions and by February, they're just a distant memory. Well, I'm here to tell you that 2025 doesn't have to be another one of those years. I'm going to show you how to truly reboot your life and make 2025 your absolute best year yet. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to have it all together while others just feel like stuck in a rut? What if 2025 could be the year you finally break free and become the best version of yourself? So grab a notebook and let's dive in together. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step system for creating lasting change. We'll cover everything from mindset shifts to practical habits, so you can stop dreaming and start living your best life. We're not talking about quick fixes or empty promises, but a real, sustainable reboot of your life. So let's get into section 1, mindset shift. Are you ready to stop letting your past dictate your future? Let's start with the foundation, your mindset. This is where everything begins. You need to own that 2025 is your fresh start. Forget about 2024. Whatever happened, it's in the past. This is your blank slate. But here's the kicker. You need to believe it. I mean, really believe it. Write it down, say it out loud, visualize it. You are the author of your life. On your deathbed, what do you want your story to be? Do you want to be known as someone who just let life happen to them, or someone who designed their dream life? The difference is intentionality. By consciously choosing your beliefs and taking ownership of your story, you're not just hoping for a better year, you're actively creating it. This shift is the key that unlocks your potential, turning you from a passive observer of life into its powerful architect. So once you have the proper mindset, let's move on to the section 2, reflection and priorities. What if you could pinpoint the exact changes needed to transform your life? Now, grab a journal and let's reflect. Look back at 2024. What moments made you proud? What habits held you back? What's the main issue stopping you from becoming your best self? This reflection is crucial. Here is what I want you to do now. Write down your reflections. Take 10 minutes to jot down your thoughts about 2024. What did you achieve? What challenges did you face? Identify your top priorities. Choose your top 3 priorities for 2025. Maybe it's health, career, or relationships. If you can, narrow it down to just one. By gaining this clarity, you will unlock a level of focus and purpose you've never experienced before, making every action count. So once you have your priorities and vision clear, let's move on to the next crucial step. Section 3, systems over goals. Tired of setting goals and never reaching them? Here's where most people mess up their focus on goals, not systems. Goals are the destination, systems are the vehicle. Instead of saying, I want to lose 20 pounds, say, I will work out for 30 minutes every morning and meal prep on Sundays. Instead of, I want to save $10,000, say, I will automatically transfer 15% of my paycheck to savings. Remember, you don't rise to the level of your goals, you fall to the level of your systems. By shifting your focus from mere aspirations to concrete systems, you're not just planning for success, you're engineering it. This is the secret to turning dreams into reality